I guess today we're going to be installing a new shift knob right here. I'll put the link in the description where I got this. And let's get to it. So in some videos I've seen people that pull this part out and they have to take this whole console out. But I've seen some videos where you can just pull this out and it's easier to access instead of taking all this around. So let's do that. Okay, so I've got it out. What I did is I just put my hands in between and pulled it up, and it's just a couple of clips holding it against there. So it's pretty easy. And now all we gotta do is lift it all the way up and you can access this clip or this clamp that is a one-time use one. So we gotta cut this off and then get to it. Okay, so now we've gotten it breaking off with some side cutters right here. Some wire cutters, side cutters, whatever you want to call it. Cut it off, and now it's just moving around loose. Now I gotta pull this off, and then I can pull it off. The clip looks like after I took it out, the clamp, kind of bend it out. All I did is I just pulled it up, and it just came right out with the gear knob in there. And then you gotta take this part right here off for the knob to come off of the boot. And when you're taking this off, just gotta get a screwdriver and pry around and release it. So let me do that, and then I'll let you guys know. Kind of got this out by prying in between here with a screwdriver. I used multiple screwdrivers, a long one, a smaller end, a stubby, and I got it out. All you want to do is just pull it out. So I've got my gear knob on. So basically what I did, I had to do is I had to put some electrical tape on the bar itself for the shift knob to go on, because it was kind of loose, and I've seen people like put that so then it's not loose, it's tight. And then I used the factory O-ring to attach the boot to the shift knob. And then I had to use this original screws that came with it, with the shift knob, and I screwed it on. And I put it back on, and that's it. It's brand new. It's a clean finish. Focus. It's a way better look than the original one. Well, so basically on the other shift knob at the bottom, there was like a little lip. And then it came with the O-ring that was already on it. I'll show you a clip from when I had the shift knob out. And then you put just the O-ring on top. First I tried it with a zip tie, a tie strap. But then when outside I could feel the tie strap. So I didn't like that. So I used the original O-ring that came with it. And it looks much cleaner. It's a nice and clean look. It goes well with the interior, very nice. And yeah. So I got it out just to show you guys. So I don't feel like I didn't show you guys. So here's the O-ring. It's overlapping the gear knob, shift knob. And it's just holding it in place. And so maybe you can see the electrical tape that I put. No, you don't see it, but it's up there. And then, yeah, I just push the boot back in, and we're good to go. Can't do it with one hand. Hold this real quick. And the clips go in, and we just push this back down. And good as new.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happens.